Experiencing issues checking your Assurance Wireless status? The most common reasons include problems with the Assurance Wireless portal, one-time password delivery failures, or browser incompatibility. Portal issues often stem from server overloads during peak hours or scheduled maintenance. OTP failures can occur due to SMS delivery delays or incorrect phone number entries. Browser issues arise when using outdated browsers like Internet Explorer or those without JavaScript enabled. Weak Wi-Fi or data signals can also interrupt the connection needed to check your status. Assurance Wireless has been working to fix these issues in the recent past, including migrating the portal to cloud-based infrastructure in early 2025, which reduces downtime by approximately 30%. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection for reliable access. For portal problems, clear your browser's cache and cookies to resolve loading issues. If not receiving OTPs, verify the phone number associated with your account. As alternatives to the portal, try the mobile app. Call customer service at 1-888-898-4888 or visit authorized retailers. For persistent issues, check the official website or Reddit's r/Assurance Wireless for real-time updates. Note that AI-driven chatbots have been integrated into the portal since May 2025 to assist with troubleshooting.